guys, it's Emily. So today's video is going to be a Christmas lazy makeup look for you guys. I actually wanted to do this because, you know, if you guys are just staying home this year because of the pandemic, you could just throw in this cute idea of a makeup if you're lazy and you just want to do something simple like me. And if you want to do something extreme, then that's up to you. But me personally, I want to do this. So I hope you guys enjoy my lazy makeup tutorial for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. Comment what you guys think of my video. And let's get this started. So guys, I came across this really cute video idea because, I don't know, I just seen it on my suggestions and I was like all for it. So I was like, yes, let's do it. So I actually wanted to show you guys that I actually changed some of my makeup routine. The only thing I really changed is my foundation. I started disliking the matte Fit Me foundation. Especially during this time of year, I just wasn't liking how it was looking. So I actually just got the same thing, and I got the Dewy Smooth in the same color, 115 Ivory. So I actually used this once, and I actually loved how my makeup came out. It looked very natural and like glowy, not too heavy on the face. Like the matte's nice, like don't get me wrong, but I don't have that much acne, and then on top of that, I have a lot of dry skin, so it wasn't looking cute. And also, what I like about this foundation, it smells like baby lotion. I don't know why it does, but it does. So I got 115 Ivory. I don't know if this is my accurate shade, but it fits my skin tone pretty good. So, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm using natural lighting. It's actually really beautiful out today. Like the skies are nice and blue and clear, nice and bright out. So, just gonna use the natural light. So yeah, if you want to just do a quick, easy, fast makeup look, this is what I'm giving you guys. Guys, I cannot believe that Christmas is in 3 days. Like, how insane is that? It's literally insane. Okay. So now we're going to go in with my favorite concealer, NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. One of my favorites. Bring it down like a triangle. I like to use concealer as a primer for my eyeshadow, if I do eyeshadow, or if I just have a lot of darkness on my upper lid. And then I also like to get under my eyebrow and above my eyebrow, just to get rid of all like the hairs that are possibly growing in. So that's that. So now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. Guys, look how nice that foundation is. Gonna go upwards, make sure. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my contour. I have a brush in here somewhere. My voice is like mad raspy. I don't know why. So I'm going to go in with this shade, and I'm just going to contour my face. I don't like to put too much, but I also like to have contour. Me personally, just a preference, you know. Put a light shade on the bottom. Alright. So now we're going to go in with doing my liner. When I tell you guys, this is the most laziest makeup look, it's the most laziest. So what we're going to do is go in with my Chic Glam Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I actually got this from Shein. Actually really good eyeliner. Top notch. Pretty good for what I've used previously. So I'm going to make sure everything on my eyelid is blended out. Okay. And then I'm going to go lightly across. Like, look how smooth that is. Look at that. Boom. My hands like feel mad greasy. Guys, I don't know about you, but when I be doing my eyeliner, right, I feel like one eye comes out better than the other. That's just me personally. Alright, so as of right now, we're going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow for the bottom. So what we're going to do, it was going to go in with this nice green. So I'm going to pick like a nice brush for the bottom to smoke it out on the bottom. If you know what I mean. Okay. No, that's too big. I need like a small brush. Oh, I think I got one. Where is it? I don't ever know what happens to my small brushes. Okay. Here we are. That's the baby I was looking for. So we're going to go in with this small, nice tip brush. And we're going to go in, I think I'm going to go in with like 2 different greens. So I think I'm going to go in with this. Wait, no, we're going to go in with this nice green. And then the nice sparkles with it green. So we're going to mix the both. And we're going to just go on the bottom and just place it there. Guys, don't worry, we're not leaving it like this. I don't want to look like a damn clown. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go in with more of a fluffy brush, like this. We're just going to I think I should go in with a little lighter green to make it a little brighter. Like, yes. Okay, we're going to use all greens because why not? Okay. Now we're going to go in and just smoke it out. Okay. So I look a little crazy, but we're going to clean everything up, guys. Don't worry. Alright, so now that we're done with the green, we're actually going to go in with like a highlight. And we're going to put like a pop in the inner corner. So, we're going to go in with one of my favorites, my ColourPop highlight. And we're going to just pop that right in the corner to give that green a pop pretty much. If that makes sense. It's going to go with a small little brush. Same thing. And just give it a pop. Look at that, guys. That is so nice. Now we like a nice pop. We don't want like no weak stuff. Like a nice pop. Okay, we're gonna go upwards a little bit. Yeah. This gives me like St. Patrick's Day vibes. It's so funny. But we're doing Christmas. Alright. So now that we went in with the pop, we're going to go put a nice shadow with it. With a nice highlight. So we want to go in with like a nice gold. Just to set the highlight in place. Gotta set that bad boy in place. Okay. So now I need like a smaller brush to like that was small enough, but like something even smaller, you know? This, perfect. So now we're gonna go and just pretty much smoke this eye look out. That other brush was like a little too big for my liking, so that's why. Okay guys, so now that we're done with that, we are going to go in with the let's see. Should I put like, okay, let's fix this up right here because we don't want to look silly. It's pretty much clean. Okay, so now we are going to go in with the lashes. I actually finished my eyeliner. It's hard to do eyeliner because like the rear view of like each side, it gets you like, because you're well, I'm left-handed and I have a hard time with doing it on camera, so don't judge. So now we're going to go in with these nice, cute, nice, not too dramatic, but nice, also natural like lashes. And we're going to just put the glue on just like that. And then boom, grab the tweezer. So yeah, if you're looking for like an easy makeup look, this is the way to go. Like, nothing too dramatic. Oh, let's try that again. I hate using tweezers because it always gets stuck. Okay. Alright. Guys, if you want a tutorial of how to apply lashes, let me know because I'm really good at it and I like to like get it like right on the line where your lashes line up. So now we're gonna go in with the other one. And like, I don't usually use tweezers, I usually use my hands, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depending on how I feel that day. Today I feel like using tweezers, so that's what we're doing. Alright, let's grab the tweezers. See, I have to fix like right here. See guys, this is not too much, not too like makeup. Like, it may seem that way, but this is pretty lazy to me, like, because I'll usually do like a full glam going on. Okay, I just want to make sure that's like in place. Okay. Alright, now that the lashes are in place, we're going to go in with some mascara. And then just kind of blend in my natural lashes with my falsies. See, I feel... I might have to replace those. Or I could just put glue. Alright. Let me grab some glue. I don't want to put too much. Get some in my eye, God forbid. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put some glue there and then boom. That's it. That's it. That's simple. Okay. There we go. Okay. Go back in with the mascara. Make sure everything is blended. Gonna go on the bottom. And guys, you don't have to do the bottom. Me personally, I like my bottom lashes, not for every look, but most looks I like to. Ooh, I almost poked myself in the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my MAC. This shade is Ruby Woo. It's actually really a big popular one, and I actually finally got my hands on it. So, that's fun. Okay, the light is not helping. Let me go turn on my natural light. Hold on a second. There we go. It got mad dim in my room. I don't know why. Whatever. Okay. Lastly, I just want to go back under my eye. So I'm going to grab my little brush, go back in with some green just to give it that pop. I love how this lazy Christmas makeup came out. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with some concealer, if I have it on my, where is it? There you go. Oh, okay. So I just want to clean up the under my eyes just to make sure nothing is looking dark on one side and not the other. I should put a pop of highlight on my eyebrow bone. Let's go in with the Beauty Blender and just pretty much clean up. Make sure you don't hit the eyeliner. I mean the eyeliner. The green makeup. Because we want it to look Christmassy. Alright, I think I'm going to go with a pop of highlight on my brow. So let's go in with my highlight. I'm doing my own little twist to it. So we're going to go in with some highlight just to give my eyebrow bone a nice highlight. You know what? I think I want to make my eyebrows a little dark too. So we're going to go in with some, like a tap of black. Just fill them in just a little bit. So they look like they have some sort of color going on. Guys, I don't even try that hard on my eyebrows. Like, I'm not even putting that much. That's the crazy thing. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do this makeup look, because I would love to see what you guys do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. And have a Merry Christmas, guys. If I don't, I'm probably not going to be posting till this upcoming Saturday, a day after Christmas. So prepare for Saturday, because I have a very fun video coming out. But I hope you guys have a happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Stay home, stay safe with your family. And yeah, bye, guys.